Welcome to the world of data analysis, where the numbers you uncover turn into stories that guide decisions and meaningful change. Data analysts play a crucial role in industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to marketing and technology. If you've been considering this career switch, you might be surprised at how many of your current skills, like critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication, already align with the demands of the field. To prepare for this role, you'll want to start by building a strong foundation in several key areas. Understanding statistical analysis is fundamental since it allows you to interpret and draw meaningful conclusions from raw data. Equally important is data visualization, which is about expressing complex information clearly through charts, graphs, and dashboards. Becoming comfortable with tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau will help you get hands-on experience turning data into insights that make sense to any audience. Programming languages like Python or R have become essential in data analysis. These languages help automate repetitive tasks, clean and manipulate data sets, and perform advanced analysis. You'll find that embracing these technologies not only boosts your efficiency, but also expands the kinds of problems that you can solve. As you grow your skills, practical experience will be your greatest ally. Working with real-world data sets, whether in projects, challenges, or internships, helps connect your new knowledge to the kinds of tasks employers value the most. Building a well-rounded portfolio showcasing your journey, including the problems you've solved and the insights you've revealed, will demonstrate your readiness and differentiate you in the job market. Networking opens doors too. Joining online data communities, attending industry meetups, or connecting with professionals on LinkedIn increases your understanding of current trends and connects you with mentors who can support your growth. Credentials matter, and earning recognized certifications and professional certificates will bolster your credibility. Programs like the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera provides an excellent roadmap with a hands-on curriculum that simulates real job scenarios. These certifications show prospective employers your commitment to mastering the field and prepare you for junior or associate level roles. When you feel ready, tailor your resume and portfolio to the specific data analyst roles that you're seeking, and be sure to prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and case studies. Remember, many employers today prioritize practical skills and project experience just as much as formal degrees, making strategic course selection and project work vital. Data analysis is a field that rewards curiosity, technical mastery, and clear communication. It's a career that challenges you to learn continuously and make a tangible impact on organizations and communities around the world. For more in-depth guidance, detailed role descriptions, and curated course recommendations, explore the Switching to a Career in Data Analysis guide available on Coursera. We've linked it in the description below so you can start your path more informed and motivated. Consider following us for additional career insights and explore the diverse learning opportunities on Coursera designed to launch and accelerate your data analysis career. Your data-driven journey starts now. Let curiosity turn numbers into knowledge and knowledge into opportunity.